There's a bare G-Wagon 4x4. In what, 1 hour? We're gonna try to finish these 2 G-Wagons up today. Here we have 2 lovely G-Wagon 4x4 square. These are the new ones. Is the white and a matte gray one. So what we're doing here, you can see on the floor, is that we are swapping the interiors. This has a full orange interior. The white one has a black on white interior. Customer, actually, same customer is getting rid of the matte gray one, but he wants the orange interior inside the white one. So we're removing the entire orange, putting it in that one, and that black and white one is going on the gray one. As you can see, I have the center console out right here, entire center console. Dashboard, air conditioned vents, armrest. We even have the screen right here, the steering wheel. Everything from the interior is gutted. We already transferred some of the seats. So if you look at the back seats, it's orange in the white one already. The door panels are orange. We already did that stuff. We're doing the hard part. This is pretty much a one-day job right now for us, swapping the 2 full interiors. We're not doing the carpets or the headliner, so it makes it a little bit easier. Very, very hard to do. A lot of screws, a lot of wiring. Have to do it really good so everything works. So yeah, we're gonna be switching them up and letting them know the customer is done. All right, guys, we have the 2 G-Wagon 4x4 squares right here. We just swapped out the full interiors. Now this matte gray one has a black and white interior, and that white one has a full orange interior. As you can see, the orange popping out looks really nice. That orange used to be on this, so we swapped them out. We're swapping out the front bars right now. We swapped out other stuff. We painted the brake calipers orange, a lot of stuff. So this one is pretty much a stock car, and that one is a customized orange interior. Customer sold this one, got that one, but really loved the orange interior. So there you have it. Looks really, really nice. So here we are with the orange interior. This interior was obviously on the gray one and it was used. It's a little dirty. That's why we got this beautiful interior cleaner from RDB Auto Care. This is all made in-house at RDB, and it's amazing. It works very good and very safely on these cars. As you can see, there's a black stain right there. We will get rid of that pronto. Look at that, pretty much brand new again, even though this is a used custom orange interior, which stains pretty fast. I'm gonna go over a lot of it here, but as you can see, this full interior is orange. You got the seats orange. Full dashboard was changed out of that gray one. Even the screens, everything, you guys saw them all taken apart. The center console, everything works really, really good too. We reset the airbag lights, so all done. We even swapped out the running boards because these were blacked out previously. So pretty cool to see all this stuff. We could do anything at RDB, and mind you, this was done in 2 days. And there goes the screw. Tiny little screw about that. You okay, man? Yep. That's why usually the torques, they go like all the way down to like 8. That's common. Yeah, but 7 is crazy. All right, so right now we have this McLaren Artura that we didn't know, but if you leave the key around the car of this Artura, key and the car communicates constantly, and the battery will drain really fast and you won't be able to start the car. So we are changing the battery. This key is a little bit more intricate, but we got it off carefully, and now this should help start the car. We don't have this problem with any other car. This is only a McLaren Artura problem. So yeah, if you guys got an Artura, which is pretty much nobody, don't leave your key inside the car. Oh! Almost done. Almost. All right, guys, I am standing behind this crazy Rolls Royce Phantom. This car was customized, as you can see. It looks like a mess right now because we just removed the wrap off of this fender and the whole side. This car used to be wrapped in this satin yellow color. Really, the purpose was it has this really awesome yellow interior, and they wanted to match something on the outside to that. Similar to that Rolls Royce Dawn that we did for Jeffree Star. That Dawn was crazy because the interior was yellow like this, and he wanted to wrap the entire thing to match it and do wheels to match it. So we did all of that. The body, the wheels, the interior all matched. But this is pretty cool. As you can see, the grille, the emblems are all matching as well. Unfortunately, this car was in an accident. Wasn't his fault. Wrecked pretty much the front area here, the side, and we're getting ready for an insurance company to come inspect it. They needed to pull the wrap off. So pulled that off, they're gonna come inspect it. We're gonna be fixing it. Whether they give replace or repair, we gotta see. And then after that, he wants to wrap it all in satin black. He's tired of the yellow, flashy look. So whether it's wrapped or whatever, it doesn't matter. We are able to facilitate your car with insurance and then rewrap it, whatever you want. So contact us.
I'll do it for $1,000 bucks. You can put it all over.
This?
Yeah.
No. I'm gonna cover somebody in oil.
All right, guys. We have this beautiful Bentley here. This is a very, very nice everyday car, actually. So I would want one of these. Very nice.
Would you really want
Yeah.
one?
This is a nice car, everyday car. Really good. Car's in here for regular maintenance, nothing crazy. It's time for oil change and filter. The problem is, this car came in with almost no oil, which is very bad. So don't ever do that. Before it runs out of oil, bring it in so we can service it for you. It's all done now. Oil's good. Oil change is good. Everything's done. That's it. Reset procedure's done. Customer's on his way to pick it up. We're good to go.
There's a lot of oil.
Yeah, a lot of oil. Yellow Lamborghini URUS that came in with broken glass. Driver's front glass shattered, big rear glass shattered. Actually, this thing wasn't too easy. There was a lot of glass inside the door panel, so we had to take everything out, make sure there's no sound when the customer closes the door. Also, of course, with the tailgate as well. All done. Of course, we had to tint it. It had no tints, obviously, after the new glass. Tints, rear tinted, car is detailed, cleaned, washed. URUS is back to normal, ready to hit the streets, baby. Again, customers on the way to pick this thing up.
Let's go to Mexico. To vacation. Cancun.
You want to go on a vacation?
Isla Mujeres. Campeche. Isla Mujeres. Cancun.
Okay.
He would love that.
Oh, Puerto.
Imagine him on a beach
Puerto
with no
Vallarta.
shirt and a coconut.
Oh yeah, coconut. And one hamaca. And
Getting a tan.
one head. The
One head.
the palmeras. The head.
What?
Yeah. What?
He just wants to go on a trip with you.
I want to go to yeah, Cancun is nice.
Puerto Vallarta too.
I ain't never been.
Puerto Vallarta is
I
very
never
nice.
go before, yeah.
Hey, Cozumel is from Mexico.
Yeah,
It's very nice there.
nice.
Yeah.
What about Watts?
What?
What?
do you want to
Oaxaca?
say?
Wax? Oaxaca? Hey, you know what is wax?
Not Wax. Watts.
Wax.
Ah.
Wax is Oaxaca.
You don't want to go to downtown LA?
Yeah, downtown LA.
We're basically in downtown LA.
Yeah. Go take a vacation here down the street.
Yeah,
Same thing.
Yeah, same thing. My bike.
Yeah, that's
Hey,
it.
did you know it's Marvin's last day?
Today?
Yeah.
No, it's not. Marvin's last day today? No. No.
Yeah, what the fuck you going vacation, Guatemala.
Yeah, lifetime vacation.
Yeah,
That's
vacation.
right.
Me too.
Lifetime?
No, me going to Hawaii.
Yeah, well,
Honolulu.
If you go to Hawaii, better for you to stay there, because when you come back, you're not going to have a job.
Everyone's going on a trip.
Right now, if you try to order a Ferrari, what could you order? So yeah, see, 296 as of 90. This is the cylindry, obviously.
Oh, that looks sick.
Purosangue, Roma, and Roma Spider. Special series you wish you could order, which is the A12 Comp and then the SF90 XX. You have to be on crazy Ferrari lists to order.
You have to have all those on top and some
these,
more.
you have to be a billionaire probably to get these.
Ooh, that's nice. Oh, that's nice.
That's a car, dude.
I think the Ford is going to be the all-time Ferrari.
100%.
You know,